Governor Tony Evers is appointing 25 members to his task force on the healthcare workforce, and 2 of them are from the La Crosse area. First News at 9's Dashiell Menzel spoke to those Cooley region members on their goals as part of the task force.
Governor Tony Evers says the task force on the healthcare workforce is focused on studying the workforce challenges facing the state's healthcare system. 2 members of that task force are Gunderson Region President Heather Shimmers and UW-La Crosse Department of Health Professions Chair Tom Crosse. Both agree that staffing shortages are a big problem in the Wisconsin healthcare system.
Doctors and nurses, those are the 2 that are probably leading in the most concerning numbers. So we are predicting, a 20,000 person shortage of nursing staff just for the state of Wisconsin in the next few years.
It's trying to find enough staff is really one of the areas that there is a shortage. We're looking at the big picture and what we can do to move the state forward in this area.
The executive order comes weeks after the announced closing of HSHS Prevea in Eau Claire, and Shimmer says the closing is a wake-up call.
It is the reality of what headwinds healthcare organizations are facing. It would be really easy to say it's one thing that would fix the problem with all of what healthcare is having to overcome over the next few years.
Crosse says some of the solutions to problems in healthcare can begin at universities.
Part of it's the pipeline. Here at the university, we struggle to get staffing for instructors in some of these areas. The clinical salaries are quite high in comparison to the academic salaries.
Both said they were excited when they got the call and are ready to be part of the solution in healthcare.
I think it's a big responsibility, and I don't take that lightly, that is for sure. What a blessing to work in a state with legislative officials and government people that work in our government that are committed to making sure that healthcare does stay viable in our state.
I think it's going to be very informative to not only me, but the other members on the committee.
In La Crosse, Dashiell Menzel, First News at 9.